Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we'll be discussing some basic knowledge about this exciting and innovative financial technology. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that operates independently of central banks and governments. It is decentralized, which means that it has no single authority controlling it. Instead, it is managed by a network of nodes that securely verify transactions and share the blockchain ledger. There are two main types of cryptocurrency: Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, launched in 2008. There are now hundreds of other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Ripple, and Cardano, each with their own unique features and benefits. To buy or sell cryptocurrency, you'll need a digital wallet, which is a secure online account that allows you to store and manage your cryptocurrency. You can use a popular wallet like Coinbase, or you can create your own using a platform like Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency can be used for a variety of transactions, including buying and selling items and services, paying for goods and services, and even as a form of investment. Now, some cautionaries. 1. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency investments come with risk, just like any other investment. 2. Be aware of scams and fraud. There are many scammers in the cryptocurrency space, so always be cautious and research before investing. 3. Keep your digital wallets secure. Always use strong, unique passwords and avoid sharing your wallet with anyone. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is a fascinating and rapidly evolving financial technology. While it has its challenges, there are also many opportunities for investors to earn money and explore new ways to transact and manage their finances.